In today's session, we will learn a new way of using VLOOKUP. It is an advanced way, and it was a interview question as well, that you have to use only one VLOOKUP to get all these three values: name, department, and manager. So here I have some base data in my A to D columns, and this is my drop down value. On the basis of this data, this drop down value, these information should be updated automatically, but with a single formula. So let's see how to do this. On the second sheet, I have data and there is blank column. So you can see we have to use VLOOKUP formula. So if I am using VLOOKUP formula in normal way, I will select this drop down value, then our table array, and I'm giving the index number with exact match option. So you can see currently I am getting only name. So how can we convert this in a dynamic formula so that we can get all three names? So for that, we will use curly bracket before index number, and here we can use multiple columns. Now I will use 2 comma 3 comma 4, and again we'll close it with curly bracket. So now you can see we have all three values from the column number 2, 3, and 4. But these are in columns. I want these in rows. So for that, I will use, instead of comma in index number, I will use semicolon. So with that, now I am getting my result in rows. Now I am changing my values, so you can see data is updating, and this is giving me result from my base data. Along with this, I have done some conditional formatting here, so it is highlighting my selected data. About this highlighting, I have already shown my in my previous video. You can go through that. Thank you. Please subscribe and follow. Thanks.